Welcome to the Boating Adventure.
Well, a very good day to you. It is Saturday the 6th of September 2024 and today I am filming at the Aquavista Trinity Waterside and Marina, which is just on the outskirts of Hinckley in Leicestershire. Today they're having an open day, and so I thought it would be a good opportunity to have a look at the open day, things that are going on, and to look at the facilities of the marina. So this is the marina itself. There are 3 pontoon landings as well as some canal side moorings. At the entrance to the marina from the Ashby Canal, there's quite a nice footbridge here, so it gives us a really good overview of the marina. So there we have the linear moorings at the side of the canal, which are part of the marina. So the home of the swamp duck is just at the back there. If we swing round, we can see the extent of the marina. In the background is the facilities block, and we swing it round and we've got the marina offices. And then we've got some of the facilities like the Elsan and pump out. There are 2 Elsan facilities actually, and you can get your diesel and coal and gas. Just away from the offices is the gas bottle storage where you can buy your bottles of gas. In terms of security, you can't normally get into the marina without knowing the code, and then to get onto the landings you also have to have a key fob. So it's fairly secure, and you've got staff that live on the marina all the time. This is the customer facilities block, which is fairly new. So this includes the shower, toilet, laundry facilities and Elsan. It's actually quite nice and warm in here. So you've got 3 dryers, 3 washers, and you have to operate them via an app, which I downloaded, and I've used them once I think. A little bit of a notice board for people to book things on. So I think it needs one of those. A facility that has recently been introduced into the marina are these shipping containers, which people can rent to store their belongings in. So if you're on a small boat or a narrow boat and you haven't got a lot of storage space, it's great that you could hire one of these and put your belongings in it. All nice and secure, very dry. And there are also these community vegetable patches where you can come and help yourself. Last few remaining courgettes there. In this raised bed there are some nice juicy looking blackberries, and in this one there are some onions. At the rear of the boaters' facilities there's a dog wash, so look out, Sandy. There's also an additional chemical toilet disposal point, and then there are the usual rubbish disposal bins, and there are some plastic storage boxes for the residential moorers. This is the infamous D wing, as it's known, and you can see that the moorers certainly take a pride in looking after the landing. Some fantastic flowers. And this is at the far end of the marina, where you've got some of the cruisers as well as some narrowboats. There aren't too many cruisers on this marina at the moment, and there's a little space just there, and that is normally the home of the swamp duck. It's not there at the moment because it's currently at Syston on the River Soar, and it's there because it's having its engine serviced and it's out of the water, and it's going to be painted underneath with the anti-fouling. It took us about 8 days journey time to get it there. We dropped it off yesterday, so not going to be around for a little while. I'm awaiting a phone call from the boatyard in a little while to say come and fetch it, and then we have to do the whole journey all over again. And there's a ton of parking here at Trinity Marina. It's never been a problem to get a parking space. They're not allocated anyway. You just first come, first served. And you can get quite close to the pontoon. And the thing I really like about it here is that the boater facilities are not a million miles away. Here are some postal boxes to get your post delivered to. In the marina offices there are some chandlery items on sale, some free newspapers, and there is a book exchange. There is free Wi-Fi throughout the marina. It's unsecured, so you do need a VPN on your devices. In terms of facilities around about the marina, there's a pub, which is the Brewers Fayre. They're very reasonable. They do some quite basic but very acceptable meals, and they're not too expensive. And these also are Aquavista private moorings here. Then next to the Brewers Fayre there is a Premier Inn, which is quite handy if you've got folk want to come down and visit the marina and stay overnight. It's certainly something that would be useful to me and to my friends and family. So there's a real community vibe here this morning. Lots of people from the marina who've got little tables and stalls and selling things, as well as some outside traders. It's just a shame that the British weather has let us down a bit, but we'll carry on regardless.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my attempts have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12th time around, wallowing in mirth. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the blues that grow. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me? Or will I heed the call that deserves me? Free thoughts aloud, time to be proud. No cops around, freedom abound. Glossing over, I've been a pushover, but now I'm a drover, I'm a rover, and an obstacle crossover. A challenge pushes you on. How you know you have a one? Disidentify from your mind. Transcendent, you will find. Transcendent, you will find. Transcendent, you will find.
Soul is lonely, sad and blue. Ain't got no loving shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side. got nowhere to turn your winding wheels. There's always the sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, my friend, and paddle your guitar. Across the river, you'll be fine. Go counting winners right down the line. You'll be alright on sunny side.
So I hope you've enjoyed this little look round at Trinity Marina on its open day. The Trinity Aquavista Waterside and Marina, which is currently the home to the swamp duck. Except it's not here at the moment, it's at Syston having its bottom washed. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for all your support. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. It's completely free and it's a great encouragement to keep making these videos. If you've enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up, as it helps to move the video up the YouTube algorithm and comes to the attention of more and more people. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.